concerns that coronavirus spread to humans from bats, scientists in the United States are looking to see if it's possible that bats can contract COVID-19 from humans. Chris Conte shows you how some scientists are working to keep bat colonies safe, while at the same time helping to re-educate people about the importance of having bats around.
When the sun sets, most of us get ready to call it a day. But for bats, the day has only just begun.
Bats are nature's absolute best pest controller for nighttime pests.
That is Barry Genslinger. He's been rehabbing bats for about a decade. He understands why not everyone loves these mammals.
When you're out in an area where there are lots of bats, they come out of nowhere.
COVID-19 has not done the image of bats any favors. The origin of the virus is not confirmed, but some studies indicate it originated from similar viruses found in bats in the Eastern Hemisphere.
Hollywood has convinced us ever since there were videos that bats are scary, evil, they attack humans.
Barry's goal these days is to keep bats from catching COVID. Every single bat he rehabilitated this winter got a nose swab, just like us humans. Those swabs are sent here to Tufts University. So far, none of Barry's bats have contracted the virus. The concern, though, is that if one bat has COVID, it could infect an entire colony and increase the likelihood of different variants spreading around.
It's not so much that people in North America are concerned about getting COVID from our bats. It's the other way around.
In an effort to rehab the image of bats during this pandemic, scientists like Sarah Strew have been hosting a series of online clinics. The goal is to remind folks and educate them about the good bats do for the environment.
There just had been so much, I think, misinformation at the beginning of everything.
There are 1,300 bat species worldwide, 47 of them in the United States. Many species, though, are considered endangered because of disease, hunting, or their habitat has been destroyed.
Bats really are across the world. Populations are kind of coming to, it's kind of a crisis in many places.
So far, evidence suggests that the risk is low scientists could pass coronavirus to North American bats. But still, they aren't taking any chances.
The biggest takeaway, I think, is realizing that we as humans are not separate from the natural world.
All in an effort to keep the sun from setting on this nation's population of bats. I'm Chris Conte.
Bats aren't all bad. All right.